morning friends. So today we go to our next step, that is how do we start painting the bottle. I'm sure that all of you must have really covered your bottle, and this is how it will look after it's completely been painted. So the base has ready. So after we start off from this, I'll show you how do we cut the tissue. Basically the tissue is you're not supposed to be using a scissor to cut it. Okay, so we need to basically use a thin brush, a very thin brush, and water. We'll just wet our brush with little water, and that's how we will start cutting the tissue. See, that's how. So abruptly, you don't have to cut the entire thing, but the major things, the major figures, basically where you can see these two beautiful birds are there. So what we need to do is, we will just wet the edges. We'll make it wet slowly, and you just need to roughly do it. Only then the texture will come and it will merge with the paint. Then it will look real. Otherwise it will not look real. Okay, that's how we'll do. And I'll quickly show you the entire tissue and the remaining design also you can keep. Just be very careful while doing it, because these are very thin as compared to the rice paper, decoupage papers. These are a little more delicate to do, but they are cheaper and they are like smaller designs which we need for smaller things. As compared to the rice papers, they are like very big designs. So I'll prefer these, as I like, if you don't easily get them, then you go for the rice paper. Keep wetting it. Try to keep the major designs, like the bigger branch. The smaller ones can go. You can still cut it separately and put it on your bottle. Okay, so that is how this thing is done. And even if you want to keep some berries also, you can keep. It will merge with the rest of the design. I don't have to throw this tissue, just keep it so that we'll be able to use it later. Need to wet roughly, just roughly with your hand. You just need to you remove it from here also, because this berry we will put later. Such a bigger design you will cut, you will have issues sticking it on the bottle and handling that tissue. So you really, that's why I'm telling you, keep big pictures so that later you can merge these parts that you have cut into the design. Okay, so see, that's how it will look. That's how it will look like after you cut it. And once we are done with it, only after that, before we have to start sticking, we will remove these sheets. There are different sets. There are two different sheets on the paper. See, can you see? If you can see like very closely, see, there are two different sheets that I'm removing from the paper so that it gets ready for the next step. Very carefully just remove it. Okay, thank you.